Hey guys, I just wanted to take you guys on a journey of me getting this warehouse. I look a hot mess. The reason why I look like this is because I've been up for 2 days fulfilling orders and it's just been crazy. I have a headache, I haven't eaten, it's too much. But I felt like it was very important for me to vlog this process. Well, I kind of wanted to show you guys how it looks in my house, how hectic it is to fulfill orders in my house. This is the reason why I kind of went and got a warehouse, because I needed to do fulfillment in order for me to do like pack orders and just everything, because you can't do everything at home. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a rundown of how it's gonna go, show you guys the warehouse, show the process of how I'm getting the warehouse. So yeah, this is the surprise that I've been holding, you guys. I've been holding on to it, not letting nobody know. If you knew, you knew. If you didn't know, you didn't know. You know what I mean? Like, so here it is. This is how my house looks. It's just a whole bunch of freaking boxes, packages everywhere. As you guys can tell, this is my living room. This is exactly how it looks, like chaos. This is where I do my orders. Like, this is just like, these are orders in these bags here. And then we have orders here that's going out. It's just so much stuff. Of course, I'm definitely gonna need a warehouse because, let's be real guys, like, it looks a mess. And so I've been contemplating about getting a warehouse for a very long time. Like, I have so much anxiety just thinking about getting a warehouse, because this is my first time getting like an actual lease besides my makeup studio. But besides that, like, this is big. Like, you know, like getting permits, doing all of that stuff is just like, it scares me. I just can't wait to see like what God has in store for me, because only God knows. Like, you know, we've been getting a lot of orders, we've been getting a lot of people supporting my brand, and I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate y'all. I really do love y'all. I really from the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate everybody who supports me, because every dollar that comes out of your bank account to support my brand, it just means so much. Because it's like, if I wouldn't be here without you guys, and I'm just being completely honest. I would not have a warehouse with you guys. I wouldn't, if it was not because of you guys. I would not have a lot of things that I have if it was not for you guys. Although I have other streams of income, but like, I'm gonna be very honest, like, my beauty brand has definitely played a very big factor in my financial path, I would say. So I just wanted to take time out to really thank my supporters and my YouTubers, because you guys like really help and push my brand. Thank you so much. So I'm headed to the warehouse because I was waiting on the landlord. By the way, her name is Nicole, and I was waiting on her to basically get an estimate for me for an AC unit for the warehouse, because it's like, it's cold right now during the, like, it's cold right now, but it's gonna get really hot during the summer. We have to get an AC unit, and unfortunately AC units cost a lot of money, so I had to negotiate that in my lease. So now that we're done negotiating those terms and stuff like that, we're now headed to the warehouse so that we can sign the lease. And so that I can show you guys the warehouse, of course. And there's a guy there now who's actually giving me a quote for the AC. So eventually I'll put it in, but like, I'm not in a rush. But I wanted to take you guys through the process, like I said. By the way, guys, comment down below how big y'all think this warehouse is gonna be. Like, what do y'all think? But yeah, so we're on our way there now. So guys, right now I just parked my car and I'm going to Publix. This is Publix right here. And I'm going to Publix because I did not know that today is Veterans Day. So me not knowing that today was Veterans Day, I couldn't go to the bank to get a cashier's check. So now I gotta get a money order at Publix so that I can go and sign my lease. I look wrinkly and dingly. But after that, I'm gonna go handle some stuff for the warehouse, because we gotta get it on and popping, because money gotta be made. So yeah. So guys, today's the big day. I am here at my leasing office, and this is my lease right here. This is like a big thing for me, so I kind of want to walk you guys through. But yeah, we're here, and I'm gonna show you guys how the warehouse looks as soon as we get this lease signed. But I want to walk you guys through the experience of how this all went about. So yeah, let's go, let's do it. So guys, I got my key. I'm so excited. Now I can finally show you guys the warehouse. Oh my god. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Y'all see all my orders in the back of my car? Like, this is the struggle, and this is why I need a warehouse, because I fulfill so much orders, and you know it's only getting better, and I thank God for that. But I just want to show you guys the warehouse, how it looks. It looks great. I'm excited, but yeah, let me show y'all. Warehouse. Oh my god, it looks so great. Take you guys inside. So guys, this is my warehouse. This is the office. So we have an AC unit. They're gonna get fixed that. So this is gonna be where the office stuff is. I'm gonna probably do 2 desks here. And then you can see right through the warehouse through this glass door, which is super cool. Right here is the bathroom. By the way, the bathroom looks disgusting, but it's okay because it's gonna get done. It's really disgusting in here, by the way, but it's okay because it's gonna get done. And when you go right in through here, you have the warehouse. So this is the guys, I'm gonna have racks and all types of stuff in here. I actually wanted to turn this side into like a studio, like so that we can take product shots, so we can take images for different stuff that we're doing for the brand. But yeah, so this is the warehouse. By the way, guys, the floors, I don't really like too much, but I'm thinking about doing like some proxy floors. So I'm still thinking about that. Other than that, this is the office, and you guys can see through here. This is where you can see the office through here. So through this glass door. So that's dope. Yep. Yeah. So there you have it. By the way, we're getting our bins today as well. I'm excited. So we got our bins so we can start shipping out our orders. I just got my first bin. So we got our first bin inside. They're gonna send me another one. This is one down so far. And we're gonna have 2 of those so then we can start putting everything in. Our orders are getting shipped out on the So today we've added some new things to the warehouse. Guys, I look a mess, so I can't show you how I look, but we finally got our bays, and they're 12 feet tall, and these I think are 46 by 36 deep. I got 3 levels, and by the way, these are huge, okay? So that gives me enough to kind of get what I need done. Then I'm gonna have like a work table here. They gotta pressure wash the floors. And then we have this bin here, as you guys already know. So I'm thinking about turning this area into like a little studio, so you guys could take we could take our pictures and stuff like that. But yeah, that's how it looks so far. Putting in that work, y'all. By the way, guys, look at my floors. Say hi to my YouTube pill. He's the one that did the floors. Ay. He did the floors, y'all. He did a great job. It looked great. Compared to how it looked before, it looks great. Y'all. I already cried enough, y'all. I already cried. But the point of the story is, I just really want to thank all you supporters who have been supporting me from the beginning till the end. I just want to thank, first off, I want to thank God, because you done showed out. Like, you done showed out, okay? So, yeah. I want to thank God for that, because, I've been doing, like, literally God gave me this vision and a dream of me selling lashes and selling different things. And he gave this to me during the corona. And I used my $1,200 stimulus check to basically start this business. And ever since then, it just took off. So I mean, I thank God for that. And now I'm able to get this warehouse, and I just pray that, you know, it gets bigger and we have to move out. And oh my gosh, I can't wait. Like, I really can't wait. It's unbelievable. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, buying from me, and just always being there to push and help me push through. Like, cause I be wanting to quit. I don't know about y'all, but I be wanting to quit, you know? But I'm not gonna quit, because at this point I can't quit no more. You know, it's too late for that. Just to let you guys know and give you guys a word of encouragement, this can happen for you too. Like, the way it happened for me, it can happen for you. If it all started with $1,200, like, if I can do it, you can do it. So push yourself and strive to be successful. Strive to be the best you, because no matter what goes on, no matter what happens, you will always make it through. So just keep pushing. Have like, always tell yourself, hey, look, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. It takes one step at a time. And I remember somebody was telling me, like, how do you eat an elephant? I'm like, how do you eat an elephant? Obviously you have to eat an elephant one bite at a time. So it takes one bite at a time for you to be able to eat a whole elephant. It's not that you can't do it, you can do it. It's just gonna take time. And, you know, I've been waiting and I've been contemplating. I mean, I could have went and, you know, balled out and do whatever, but I chose not to. I decided I really wanted to invest into a warehouse, and so I did that. And so I went in and got a warehouse. So here we are. So thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for more videos, because I will keep you guys updated on the renovations and how everything went. But make sure you guys go ahead and shop at itstheluxuryclub.com, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I drop some new bangers. Thank you. Love y'all.